Dr. Roland Edroulet has been a physicist and engineer since 1967. He also holds a PhD in biomedical engineering from the University of Toronto. He has taught at Laval University in Quebec City and was the founder-director of the Biomedical Engineering Division at that university's hospital center. He left this prestigious position, however, to devote himself to a new health concept that may very well change the course of medical science, just as it has changed the course of his life.
Alors voici, j'avais un problème déclaré insoluble au niveau du...
I had a problem with my right arm, which had been declared incurable.
L'arthrite s'était installée.
Arthritis had developed following a bout of bursitis, or tennis elbow. This then degenerated into arthritis of the whole arm, and ultimately the shoulder too. I finally solved the problem myself by applying the research I had done during my doctoral studies in Toronto. I invented the RHUMART regenerator, which emits specific, low-frequency electromagnetic impulses, very similar to those which already control all the cells, the functions, and organs in the human body. Using this basic process, I regained the use of my arm where I would otherwise have remained impaired. Long ago, European scientists proved that the brain emits a flow of electromagnetic fields which travels throughout the body. Too often, however, these fields are perturbed, resulting in all kinds of osteomuscular and other ailments. These perturbations may be caused by stress, arthritis, poor blood circulation, or various muscle injuries and bone fractures. When that happens, the electromagnetic fields must be restored artificially by machine. With time, they resume their normal course. Restoring the electromagnetic flow makes it possible for the cells to reproduce more naturally, and that's exactly what happens with Dr. Drolet's invention, the RHUMART system. The RHUMART technique is not for one specific ailment. It has been applied successfully in the treatment of arthritis, stress, hypertension, backache, sprains, fractures, general injuries, chronic migraine, and a variety of wounds. Stomach ulcers, varicose ulcers, burns, eczema, etc. In short, it relieves pain and promotes cell regeneration. Generally, the affected area is exposed to the RHUMART field for only 5 to 10 minutes every day or every other day. It's so simple, patients can even treat themselves at home while relaxing. The system was patented in Canada and in foreign countries. In the last 10 years, $1 million has been invested in research and development. A scientific study conducted by clinicians and independent researchers has proved the safety and effectiveness of the RHUMART system. Nevertheless, physicians' corporations are very conservative and are slow to respond. After all, this new approach questions the very basis of traditional medicine, medication. Natural therapists are, by nature, more open and view this new system optimistically. Yvon Gagnon, Vice President of the Quebec Order of Natural Therapists, has been using the RHUMART system since 1986 with spectacular results.
J'ai rencontré le Dr. Drolet lors d'une convention internationale sur les médecines naturelles.
I met Dr. Drolet at an international conference on natural medicine. That's how I first got to try the RHUMART system. Dr. Drolet didn't know that I was suffering from degenerative osteoarthritis, and believe it or not, after only one treatment, I was able to go 2 weeks without any pain at all. That's what convinced me to buy my first professional RHUMART system. 3 months later, I bought a second one for my clinic.
Bonjour, Madame Lancier.
Bonjour, Dr. Brouillard.
Comment ça va ce matin?
Ça va pas mal mieux.
Oui.
Ah oui.
Les douleurs dans vos genoux?
Ça s'atténue beaucoup.
OK. Puis vos mains, vos poignets?
Les poignets aussi, beaucoup d'amélioration.
Ils sont beaucoup moins enflés.
Oui, aujourd'hui. Hein?
C'est bien.
The system's reputation is growing rapidly, and a number of physicians are currently using it on a regular basis.
Depuis un an et demi, je souffre d'arthrite rhumatoïde.
I've suffered from rheumatoid arthritis for the past year and a half. I tried other treatments, including medication, but these produced very little pain relief.
Alors,
So I decided to try something more natural, and at least there are no side effects with the RHUMART generator.
Même si ça fait que quelques mois qu'on est en présence du système RHUMART.
Although we've been using the RHUMART system for only a few months here at the clinic, we've had excellent results, even with patients who've had no improvement with previous treatments involving either medication, injections, or more natural approaches. Many people can now testify to the impressive results obtained through the use of the RHUMART therapy.